The mortgage industry is evolving. Borrowers expect seamless access to competitive loan options, while lenders need smarter ways to connect with qualified applicants. But traditional mortgage processes are slow, complex, and outdated. It's time for a digital transformation. At Deventure.co, we specialize in building custom mortgage lending platforms that bridge the gap between borrowers and lenders, streamlining the loan process, improving transparency, and enhancing financial decision-making. Our platform offers an intuitive mortgage rate comparison tool, giving borrowers instant access to competitive rates from multiple lenders. With data-driven loan matching, they can explore financing options tailored to their needs. For first-time buyers and experienced homeowners alike, the Mortgage Education Hub simplifies complex financial decisions with easy-to-understand guides and expert insights. The entire mortgage journey is digitized, from application to approval. Borrowers can securely submit documents, track their loan status, and connect with lenders in real time, all through a seamless mobile app. Lenders benefit from automated lead management, compliance-ready documentation, and seamless integrations with third-party financial services, helping them process applications faster and more efficiently. By leveraging cutting-edge C# and .NET technologies, our custom-built platforms provide scalability, security, and regulatory compliance, ensuring a robust digital mortgage ecosystem for all stakeholders. The result? Faster approvals, increased borrower trust, and greater efficiency for lenders. Whether you're an established lender or a startup looking to revolutionize mortgage lending in your market, our solution is designed to meet your needs. The future of home financing is digital. Let's build it together. Contact Deventure.co today and transform the way mortgages are managed.